Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Tapo Smart Plug not connecting to Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz pairing mode and reset fix. Fix 1. Switch to 2.4 GHz. Tapo Smart Plugs only support 2.4 GHz networks. So before pairing, make sure your phone is temporarily connected to your router's 2.4 GHz network and check that your router is in broadcasting with 5 GHz only. Fix 2. Toggle Bluetooth. Many Tapo models use Bluetooth to find the plug during setup. Turn off Bluetooth on your smartphone, then wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. And then try the setup process again. Fix 3. Perform a factory reset. Plug the smart device into the wall and press/hold the reset/power button for about 5 to 10 seconds and release when the LED lights start blinking rapidly. This means the plug has been reset and is ready to reconnect. Fix 4. Move closer to the router. Plug the device into an outlet right next to your Wi-Fi router during initial configuration. Thick walls or interference can prevent the plug from discovering the network. Fix 5. Check router security. If your router is set to WPA3 only security, the plug may fail to connect. So change your router's wireless security type to WPA/WPA2-PSK in your router's settings. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.